This is going to be reading for sign of Capricorn. So all that I need to know about your person, where things are going to be going for the next couple of weeks, in terms of your soulmate connection. So let's start. What are Capricorns going through? What are Capricorns going through? With Queen of Pentacles, I see many of you guys manifesting wealth in your life, manifesting lots of new opportunities in your life, focused on your family, focused on your happiness. Okay, one more card. What are Capricorns going through? With the Chariot card here, I definitely see that you guys are focused on moving forward. Like nothing is going to stop you anymore. Like if the past person was kind of getting in the way, they were triggering you, they were blocking you from moving forward. Then I see forward movement in your life, regardless if the person is behaving well or not. I do see you moving forward. Okay, one more card. Some of you guys could be also traveling. It could be like about work as well. One more card. With Five of Pentacles, right now, even though you're making money and everything is going your way, you may still feel a lack, like something is missing in your life. And that's the reason why you're pushing yourself so hard. Okay, you want to get to that place. A Capricorn is an earth sign, so they focus on being successful, not just successful, but really wealthy. And that's what you guys enjoy. And if you guys enjoy being wealthy, you guys should. Okay, so with Five of Pentacles, you definitely feel a lack. Okay, it could be financial or emotional, but you're really working towards it. Okay, in terms of your connection, Capricorn soulmate, in terms of your connection, let's see what's happening. In terms of your connection with Page of Cups, I do believe for selected few of you, your person could have reached out recently. If this is not a past person, this could be a brand new like individual or soulmate who is messaging you, but it has just started. If it's an old person, the person is doing the same shit over. They're just messaging you, keeping you waiting. Okay, one more card. How is this person thinking about Capricorn now? How is this person thinking about Capricorn? With the Hanged Man right now, this person is still stuck on you. If you're asking me, in the recent past, they could have tried to get your attention. I do not know if you gave them. However, with Page of Cups here, they could be messaging you, but that's about it. They could not be doing more than that. Okay. In terms of their energy, what's their energy like towards Capricorn? Overall energy, please. Okay. I see this person still stalking you, still keeping a watch on you, still watching you. I mean, like both cards speak about them watching you from a distance. Okay, they're keeping a close tap on you, darling. Okay, in terms of their feelings, one card for their honest feelings towards you. In terms of their feelings, this person isn't expressing much. They are cold. Okay, detached. Some of you could be dealing with a possible air sign, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Okay, and they don't seem to be all lovey-dovey. They are moreover like very practical, very rational, very much straightforward, not the lovey-dovey types. Okay, one more card for what's going on in their heart space. What's going on in this person's heart space? In their heart space, this person is kind of feeling rejected, to be honest. But then, I mean, they are not showing that. Okay, but in terms of how do they feel when they speak to Capricorn or when they miss Capricorn, how do they truly feel, Spirit? It's like with Six of Pentacles, they do want to balance this connection out with you. Okay, whenever they think of you, they think of balancing out with you, like putting in that effort to get it to a stable point. But they don't put that effort. They want to, but they don't take the action necessary to fix the connection. Okay, one card for the blockages. What could be blocking this connection? What could be blocking the connection could be for selected few of you, Four of Wands. I already believe that some of your partners could already be married or in a relationship. If it's not that, your person could be having, commitment phobia. As soon as it comes to commitment or closer to commitment stability, the person shies away. The person just distances themselves. They're not just ready for it. Okay, so take what resonates. One more card for what is the major blockage. What is the major block? So for some of you, there could be some religious differences or cultural differences. Okay, different race maybe, I do not know. Second thing I see is distance. Okay, it could be physical distance or emotional distance, but lack of communication. Okay, that could be still blocking the connection. Things are not moving forward the way you would want it to. One card for their intentions. So, what are their intentions towards Capricorn, please? What are their honest intentions towards Capricorn? But you, on the other hand, I see you manifesting the connection. I mean, something new in your life, not the connection. With Seven of Swords, this person is still very much sneaky. Okay, can you trust this individual, Capricorn? Can you trust this individual? I mean, they are not trying to show you that they care, but they do care. Okay, with Two of Wands, they are still at crossroads. Like, what could be the other option, Spirit? What could be the other option? What's really blocking them? I do believe if they had a past person, if they had someone else besides you, they haven't completely walked away from that or completely healed from that. Okay, so I still believe if they are just out of a relationship, they haven't healed from that. They are jumping towards you, and that's not right. I don't think it's going to work if this person hasn't healed or come to terms with their past connection. If you were their past person, I believe they had someone new who they kind of messed up with, okay, and they haven't come to terms with that. Okay, so take what resonates. One card for what action do they want to take towards you now? What action does this person want to take towards Capricorn? Okay, with Page of Pentacles, I do not see a big offer. They are just wanting to communicate and start some bits of talks with you in terms of I mean, their curiosity is really high. They want to know what you are doing, what you are up to, whether you are still stuck on them, whether you have moved on. So they'll be asking you a certain amount of questions, straight off questions. I do not see a lovey-dovey energy coming from their side. I rather see them trying to just contact you or just try to build a connection, but a very much straightforward talks. Okay, like I don't see anything like I missed you, darling, and I love you, and I wish I could be with you. Not like none of that shit. Some practical shit like how you been and what's up with you and what you've been up to and all those kinds of questions. Okay, so one card for what action can you expect from this individual? For some of it, I mean, this could be a learning experience. Okay, it is nothing much you should stay focused on. With Temperance card, I believe this person does wanna fix the connection in terms of getting back on the same page as you, but I don't see them, like actively putting in that effort. Okay, so for now, for the next 10 days, where do we see this connection going, Spirit? With Ace of Cups, there's a solid chance that you guys could come back together. But I do feel you guys are focused on something new, okay? But yes, there's a chance that you guys might come together. If you guys come together, where things could go for the next, let's take, and from now till the end of the month, where could things go if you take them back in your life? If this, even if this is a new individual, where can things go, Spirit? I believe you're going to take more than 10 days to decide. Okay, you are still pissed off over the past issue. You do not have a clear mindset to make a decision yet. Okay, you're still pissed off for whatever they could have done to you in the past. Okay, one more card for what's the overall energy going to be like. With Eight of Swords, I still believe with Wheel of Fortune, you have been trying to find your way out of this connection. You do not want to stay stuck to this person. Okay, but you have been trying to, but you haven't been completely successful. So I believe majority of you would be trying to manifest something new, even if a part of you still feels stuck towards this connection. Like when I say manifestation, I believe it could be regarding your finances, your future, trying to possibly work hard so that you do not have to think much about this weirdo that is part of your life or is still trying to be a part of your life. Okay, I do feel this person wants to get back on terms with you, but it's really heavy. Okay, you really do not know what to do because for what all they have put you through. Okay, so yes, let's take spirit messages. What do you need to know, Capricorn? What you guys need to know? Okay, So right now, I believe you guys are on different paths. Okay, in the past they were numb, and that's the reason why you could not entertain them much. Last card we have is loves you but isn't ready for a solid commitment. Just like I told you, there's something to do about commitment. Either they cannot commit because they have a family, or they have commitment phobia. So take what resonates. This is all I have for you for Capricorn from now until the 20th of the month. So if it resonates, kindly hit the like button. Do let me know in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you want a personal reading with me, the way I do my reads, then please reach out on my website and book one for yours. So thank you so much for coming in, and I hope to see you soon, darling. Cheers. Have a great month ahead.